Hey everybody, it's Joe Fasolino with Top Gun Inspection Services Group, and welcome to the Inspection Zone. What I want to show you here today is a defect I haven't seen before. So here we have a wash machine, and you would think by looking at that the wash machine drain, all the gray water would go into some sort of piping. But in fact, look at this. It's actually dumping into the French drain of the home. They built a wall, and then it's going along the French drain. And here's the kicker. There is no sump pump. So they're just literally dumping it into this location and letting the process of evaporation of occurring. So this is something that you definitely don't want to do, all right? What you'd like to do is actually connect this to your plumbing. And for some locations, you may have a gray tank where gray water goes into that tank, or in some other locations, it's going to be connected right to your main drain lines and go to a septic system, to a leach field, or a sewer line. So just wanted to show you that. If any of you guys have any questions about home inspections or mold assessments, give me a shout at 518-956-0532 or email me at info@topguninspectionservices. Everyone have a fantastic day and take care. Bye. Unbelievable.